Hello, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm gonna let an app pick my work from home outfits. Towards the beginning of the lockdown, I was actually keeping track. I was like, oh, day 13 of me working from home. But now I've totally lost track of numbers. I think it's around day 70 of working from home. So I've been chilling in my pajamas while working from home, and every time I want to make a video, I just like put on some lipstick and I think I'm ready. Towards the beginning of this lockdown, I actually changed into jeans and like proper human clothes when I stepped out to the supermarket. But I've hit that point in my life where I've found this pair of slightly socially acceptable pajamas, and I've been wearing those to the supermarket now. That's where I'm at. But I do want to change things up. I don't want to take decisions every morning as to what I should wear today. So I went online looking for ways to tackle this situation I'm in, and I stumbled upon this app called Purple or Purple. The internet has called this app the Tinder for clothes. So basically you can put your clothes in, ask the app to style you, and if you like the outfit that it picks, you can swipe right, and if you don't, you can swipe left. I saw a few people on the internet try this out and I'm pretty intrigued and I really want to check this out. So last night I set up the app. This took a while. I had to take pictures of all of the clothes that I wanted the app to pick from. So I put in 24 tops. This includes a few of my kurtas, 4 pairs of pants. This includes a pair of jeans, a pair of pajamas, I couldn't stop myself, and a pair of workout pants, 3 skirts, 4 dresses, 4 pairs of shoes, and 9 accessories. My phone gallery is now filled with pictures of clothes. So tomorrow on, I'm going to ask the app to style me, and I'm going to wear the first outfit that it picks out for me. Also, I've planned this really quirky experiment for day 5. It's the app's ultimate test. So do make sure you stick around for that. Alright, let's get started. It's the first day of this experiment and I woke up really early. I was so excited to get started. So I asked the app to pick out a pair of pants, a top, and an accessory for me today. So when I saw what it picked out for me, I thought it was like really goofy and the colors just really don't go together according to me. Wait, before you pass a judgment and think what the hell was this app thinking? Let me tell you, I've been working in this for around 3 hours now, and this is a perfect work from home outfit. Like, it has my pajamas, which makes it so comfy, and it has this light summerish top and these earrings, which are just like really perfect for the summer months. I am surprised. This is like a really perfect work from home outfit. It's day 2 today and it's a holiday here, so I'm planning to step out of the supermarket just to get some basic groceries. Before that, I thought I'd show you what the app picked out for me today. So I asked the app to pick a top, a skirt, a pair of shoes, and an accessory for me today. I think this is the only day in the week I'm asking the app to actually pick out shoes for me, because this is the only day in the week that I'm planning to step out. Okay, so the app really threw a curveball at me today. Let me just show you. Okay, so all of the items except the accessory are blue. It's all just like a lot of blue and a lot of pattern. I'm not sure what the app was thinking today. Maybe it's like, oh, blue goes with blue, so let's just make it all blue today. Alright, so it's time to go to the supermarket now. Just popping in to say hi. So it's actually my first time shooting in public at a supermarket, so it makes me a teeny tiny bit nervous, a teeny tiny bit awkward. I love this outfit so much, I cannot stop smiling. So I asked the app to pick out a dress and an accessory for me today. So it picked out this green dress and these yellow earrings. I just love it so much. I don't remember the last time I wore a dress, and these colors are so vibrant and they're just making me really cheerful today. So I've just been like prancing about the house, feeling really great about myself. So it's around 5 p.m. and I really want to take a break from work. So I came down to collect my Amazon parcel. So I thought I'd take you guys on an adventure all the way to my society gate. Guys, look, I found a tree that's totally vibing with me. The colors are so on point. It's the next day and I asked the app to pick out for me a pair of pants, a top, and an accessory today. So it's picked out these workout pants, this kurta, and this necklace for me today. This app is really vibing with my work from home energy right now. These workout pants are super comfortable and this top is just nice and bright. Also, I never thought of pairing this necklace with this kurta. Thank you, Purple. It looks really pretty. I remember really liking yesterday's outfit and I swiped right on that one. So maybe that's why I got another bright top today. Or maybe it's just coincidence. Okay, so I really want to try try something today. I wanted to find out if the app knows how pieces of clothing are conventionally worn, like a top worn as a top, a skirt worn as a skirt. You get the flow. So I wanted to see if I ask it to pick anything from my wardrobe, like if I put all of the options in, will it pick just like a top and a skirt and say, you know, that's good to go? Or will it pick one of each? So that's exactly what I did today. I wanted to see if the app is actually smart enough. Well, it's not. It's not smart enough. So basically, it actually picked out one of all the items I asked it to pick. So I'm kind of wearing all of that right now. A failed experiment, I guess. Also, maybe this app has a thing for stripes. So I tried working in this for a bit, but it's just too many layers and it's way too hot and I really can't wear it all day. I wanted to try this out particularly because there are days when I'm comfortable with wearing anything. I really don't have a preference and I don't want to take a decision. I wanted to see if the app would be helpful in situations like that. But no, this app is not the answer for times like those. So that was my week of attempting to get out of my pajamas during the lockdown. I really like the mystery and suspense associated with this experiment. Like when I woke up in the morning, I was really curious to see what the app would pick out for me that day. The weird thing is that during the week, I did end up swiping right on some of the outfits, but I can't seem to find my matches on the app. Do my clothes not like me back? There are definitely some hits and some misses, but I had a really good time. This was a really good change for me. That's all I have for today. Hop into the comment section and tell me what you've been wearing during the lockdown. Are you glad you can chill at home in your pajamas, or are you looking to change things up? If you like this video, do make sure to hit that like button and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.